so welcome back to my gaming channel / vlogging channel. Anyways, I'm playing Subway Surfers in Roblox. This is like, it's so hard to jump. Okay. Gonna get as much gaming in is. What just happened? Okay. I think there's just a minor glitch. How am I supposed to jump over these? Oh. Okay, we need that. That's key. I died. I actually like Subway Surfers. It's not bad. Okay, my computer is having horrible issues, and it's time for an upgrade. But I'm working really hard towards an upgrade because I'm saving up my money for a new computer. Oh, if I would have jumped up there, I would have got that. Like, this is like the catchphrase that gets stuck in your head. That Roblox character is just standing there. Okay, there was such a major glitch. I almost got hit by that. I can't get caught because I was spray painting. But to be honest, I don't really care. What the? Okay, it's going by really fast. Alright guys, in the comments of my YouTube channel, let me know what is your favorite Roblox game. I died. But let's see my high score. Let's see what I got. Ooh. 587 coins. I like the Haunted Mansion ride in Roblox. and Minnie's and Mickey's Runaway. I'm also gonna look up and see if they have Monsters Inc. But you'll never catch me. I am the gingerbread man. They're making what's it called? They're making a Shrek movie, and I'm excited to see it. Cause when I was younger, I used to love Shrek. Till this day, I love Shrek. And so I play a game called Best Guess Live. I should probably share it on YouTube so everyone can see. But Best Guess Live is a game where you can practically make money by just answering questions, but you have to have Netflix in order to use it. And the clue for today was SpongeBob, and I didn't get it until number 5, but I didn't win, but it's okay. SpongeBob's one of my favorite characters. I just love SpongeBob. They're like a Nickelodeon star. Didn't they do SpongeBob before, or was that Patrick? I'm kind of confused at this point. Uh-oh, I died. Okay, we're gonna try this one last time. I don't know what I get in there. I die. Let's see what I get. Ooh, 194 coins. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. In the comments, let me know what is your favorite game on Roblox, and I will see you in my next gaming video. Bye, guys.